What up, all you BAMFs? Welcome back to the squad. Bobby Hernandez here, and in this one, we're going to be diving into smoking a brisket and not diving off the back of the boat. Disclaimer, I do not know how to cook, so I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos like Arnie Tex, Meat Church, That Savage Kitchen, so I feel pretty comfortable with all their knowledge that I could get this done. So stick around and let's discover the world of smoking a brisket together. Let's get it. All right, you guys, here's the master build that we got. We got peach and apple wood that we're gonna be using. We got it plugged in. We got the phone connected to the app so we can get it going without even having to come out here. Start it when I'm still in bed tomorrow morning early. So now we're all G to G with the smoker and everything's connected. Let's go check out the star of the show and look at this brisket. All right, everybody, here's the star of the show. We got the brisket right here. So let's throw on some gloves and get this rub on. So our rub is Slap Yo Mama and some SPG. And we're gonna also do an injection. We made an injection from barbecues, brisket injection, and that's this right here. So we're gonna be soaking it up and jamming this thing in a grid pattern or however you guys prefer. I'm gonna be just stick it in, going the way with the grain. That's what they said to do. So, oh shoot, got some stuff blowing out right there. This thing's pretty cool. All right, now let's throw our seasonings on top. So make sure you put a generous coat on there. Make sure you don't forget to get the sides like they said. So, you guys have any tips or tricks for brisket? Let me know down below, because this is our first time, like I said, so hopefully this comes out good. What do you guys think it's gonna come out like? I think this thing's gonna be amazing. Yeah, so now we're gonna let it sit in the fridge overnight, and I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, you BAMFs, I lost all the video footage from this morning of when I put the brisket in, but we got it up to temp. I used the app to start up the smoker and everything, so I didn't have to get out of the bed. We threw it in on the top rack, fat side up. We're leaving it in until it hits an internal temp of 165, and then we're gonna go wrap it. So we got apple and peach going, as you can see, and I'll see you in the wrap stage. All right, so we're just about at the 2-hour mark. We're gonna open it, we're gonna check for bark, we're gonna spritz it a little bit with some apple juice, and then we're gonna throw in some more wood and keep it moving. You ready? Let's do this. Let's see what it looks like. Yep, needs a little spritzing. Spray it all around. So we're gonna add some more wood and we'll see you when it hits the stall. All right, everybody. So it's hit 160 degrees and it's been there for a while. So we're gonna wrap it in butcher paper to get this, to give it some help. And they also said to, for extra flavor, let's throw some tallow in it. So we got some pure beef tallow from Fat Works, grass-fed beef. So we're gonna put a glob of this on the bottom of it. Sorry, I got one hand here. So we're gonna just put this glob of tallow, sit it on top, and we're gonna wrap this thing. This thing smells insane. One fold. Two fold. Okay, now that we got it wrapped, we're gonna go put it back in the smoker, let it get up to about 200 degrees or until probe tender, till it goes in there like butter. So the next time you see me, we'll be right here cutting into it. So fast forward to then, back. But before we cut into this thing, I gotta let you know, we let it rest for an hour. So yeah, you gotta make sure you let it rest that's the key. If we had longer time other than dinner, I'd let it sit until tomorrow at 140 like they said on the videos. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut into this. So let's go check it. Let's see what this thing came out. Oh man, this thing's like super goo. This is crazy. Oh, that's hot. There's a lot of juice. I'm guessing this is gonna be the money shot. Fuck, yeah, we need napkins now. Give me a second. It's a fucking crazy mess. All that goodness is on the table. All right, now that we got it cleaned up, sorry I cut a little bit. Sorry I didn't get the whole money shot and all that other good stuff. But this is, let's take a little piece, try it. It falls apart. So let's go, let's see, here we go. Oh shit. Babe, you gotta try this. Oh man. That's crazy. That's delicious. Oh wow. We're definitely gonna have to do this again. For sure. I think I need to let it come up to 175 to set the bark a little bit more. It's there, but it's a little loose. But I think I gotta do that, and I don't know, this tastes amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this this little cooking extravaganza, if you would, I'm planning on adding some more catch and cook stuff. If you like it, please let me know in the comments. Hit a thumbs up for being awesome. You guys are BAMFs. Stay good. Get your fat on. I fucked that all up. Yeah, definitely gonna have to do this again. Stay tuned for the next one.